Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Gemini history. First, log into your Gemini account securely. Once logged in, locate the main navigation menu. You will then find an option labeled History or Transactions. Clicking this will take you to a comprehensive overview of your past activities. This section allows you to see all your trades, deposits, and withdrawals in one place, making it easy to track your financial movements. After accessing your history, you can refine your view using the filtering options. These typically include selecting a custom date range, such as the last 30 days or a specific quarter. You can also filter by asset type, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, to see only relevant transactions. Once you have your desired view, look for an export button. This usually allows you to download your data as a CSV file, perfect for spreadsheets or tax preparation. When reviewing your transaction history, pay close attention to the details of each entry. Every record shows the date, time, asset, and amount involved. You will also find a unique transaction ID, which is crucial for any support inquiries or external verification. Additionally, the fees associated with each trade or transfer are clearly listed, helping you understand the total cost of your activities on the platform. This transparency ensures you have a complete financial picture. For more advanced users, Gemini often provides a search bar within the history section, allowing you to quickly find specific transactions by keyword or ID. You might also explore options for setting up recurring statements, which can be automatically sent to your email, simplifying your record-keeping process. Remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Keeping organized helps you stay on top of your financial journey.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.